Hey guys, today let's learn how to schedule to send emails with attachment for free. You don't need to buy any softwares to achieve that. This idea came out because I have a file, it automatically update and download to the folders, and I need to send that report to my managers like every day 8 o'clock in the morning. So what you need to do is only some Python code and use the software in Windows systems. Then you don't need to buy any paid version software to achieve that. So let's take a look those steps. They are totally 5 steps and it's quite easy to achieve that. So first step is to install Python. Install Python is quite easy. Just go to this website, then click download and install Python in your systems, and that's it. Once your Python is installed, and let's check, we need one plugin to achieve our sending email. So in your start bar, type cmd to open your command prompt. And in command prompt, we need to make sure we install pywin32, this plugin. So how do we make sure? So first, you can type pin show pywin32. And if you have this plugin already installed, you will show these programs. If not, just type pin install pin win32 and you will install this plugin. When we install Pythons and install Win32, this plugin, step 1 is complete. Let's go to step 2. We're going to write some code in Python. So also in your start bar, type notepad. Then you will get a new notepad. Then copy this code to your new notepad. And don't worry, I already put this code below the description. So in this code, some area you need to be aware. First, you need to have Outlook account already, and also Outlook software. And second, to make sure some information you need to be customized. For example, mail.To, like what email you want to mail to. So in this email, I put my email account here. And second, what's the subject you want to use for your mail, and also the mail body. And most important, the attachments, the path of attachment, you also need to write down here. So for example, I have attachment. So for example, I have an attachment is local at my C drive, and the folder called scripts. And that's the attachment I want to attach and send it every day. So I will write down the path here. When you finish that, you can save. You can save this one, and I save this. I change the file name, say send email. And our save is a Python file. So put py at the end and save it. Then you can see that already here. So that will finish the second stage. Then we go to the third stage. We will do some text schedule. There's one software is already in Windows system and is quite useful. So also in your search bar, search text schedule, this one, and open that. And on top of the bar, you can click create text. Then create text window will be pop up, and you can simply name your text name. Let's say our name is send email. Then go to the next step is trigger. Renew, and I want to do that daily at let's say 8 o'clock, and do that once every day, and click OK. And next we go to next action tab. Click new, and we want our action is start the programs. And what's our script? The script is the code we write in for Python. So click the send email code, then open that, click OK, and we leave rest of them as default, and we click OK. Now you can see your text already there. So that's the third step. We arrange the text schedule, and we go to next step, which is test. When you want to test your task, you can click that, and here is and select item. You can click run to test if that is running. So you can see there's a script is running. Then you'll pop up say sending successfully. Let's check our mailbox. So in my mailbox, I see the file already. I already received that file, means it's successfully running. That means that schedule is successfully added. So the mail will be sent every day like 8 o'clock, and also attach that file to the mail. And we complete the setting for schedule to send the email, and it's complete free. Hope you guys enjoy today's tips, and let me know if you guys have some problems below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see you guys next time. Bye.